कॉन्फिडेंस और सेल्फ इमेज के कुछ पावरफुल सीक्रेट्स जानने हैं तो आज का एपिसोड आपके लिए। आज हमारे साथ है बंदिता एस पात्रो, एन इमेज कंसल्टेंट एंड अ सेलिब्रिटी स्टाइलिस्ट। इंजीनियरिंग और फार्मा से लेकर फैशन वर्ल्ड तक इनकी जर्नी सुपर इंस्पायरिंग है। सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द रोल ऑफ इमेज कंसल्टेंट एंड स्टाइलिस्ट। Bandita,
Hi.
it's such a pleasure to have you with us on Be You with Shraddha S. And
Thank you
welcome.
so much. Thank you so much, Shraddha. I just love the tagline be you. As I always say, be the authentic you. So be you is
Absolutely.
just the part of it. So
That's
I
the
love
whole
it.
idea.
Yes.
So, Bandita, when we say image consultant, what comes under that?
So when we say image consulting, I will tell you in like alphabets A, B, C, D, E of image consulting is what we say. So A is the appearance,
Hmm.
B is body language,
Hmm.
C is communication,
Okay.
D is the digital presence,
Okay.
E is etiquette. So we
Okay.
cover all these things
Right.
under one roof.
ओके
Yeah.
बिकॉज जहाँ तक मुझे पता है इमेज कंसल्टेंट अगर बोलते हैं तो उनकी सिर्फ एक मिसकंसेप्शन हो गया है कि स्टाइलिंग,
Yeah.
यू नो हाउ यू ड्रेस अप, हाउ यू डू योर मेकअप। सो आई थिंक वो दो चीज़ें कोई थोड़ा सा लिमिट करते हैं, बट यस दीज आर ऑल द
Yes, so
फैक्टर्स।
styling and grooming is just a part of it.
राइट।
Even the personality development, some people feel that it's only the personality development which is covered in image consulting.
राइट।
But we have styling, grooming, personality development, even the body language and etiquette.
राइट।
Yes.
सो आपने कोई प्रोफेशनल कोर्स किया है?
यस मैंने मुंबई से एक कोर्स किया
ओके।
इमेज कंसल्टिंग के ऊपर उसके बाद आई हैव डन द एडवांस कोर्स फ्रॉम यूएस एक्चुअली
ओके,
सो
दैट्स
इट
इंटरेस्टिंग।
हैज़ बीन almost more than 9 years actually in the
ओह,
business.
दैट्स नाइस।
Yes.
सो इंजीनियरिंग और फार्मा इंडस्ट्री को छोड़ के आपने स्टाइलिंग या इमेज कंसल्टेंसी कैसे, लाइक व्हाट वाज द शिफ्ट?
So actually, engineering was not by choice. It was I got into merit
ओके।
इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग सीट मिल गया फ्री में
हम्म।
तो मम्मी पापा ने बोला कर लो अभी मिल रहा है स्कॉलरशिप तो कर
यस।
लो तो कर लिया
हाँ।
so that time I wanted to do either fashion designing or interior designing something
राइट।
into designing I
डिजाइनिंग।
wanted to do but then I got into electrical engineering then got married to a pharma person that's how I started into pharma industry
ओके।
but then when I got a little time and I thought that कि चलो I can focus on my passion तो मुझे ये इमेज कंसल्टिंग के बारे में पता चला तो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट इट्स
वाई
नेवर टू लेट टू स्टार्ट एनीथिंग सो आई स्टार्टेड दैट
एब्सोल्युटली। बंदिता, स्टाइलिश दिखना और पावरफुल दिखना दोनों में क्या फर्क है?
see every clothing piece we wear
हम्म।
has a message to convey
हाँ।
right so stylish dikhna is quite easy if you just follow the trend
ट्रेंड।
but if you want to look powerful, you have to understand the environment, you have to understand the people you're meeting, you have to understand your profession, what do you want to convey the message. So, all those things are very important.
एंड
So,
ऑल्सो आई थिंक व्हाट यू आर कंफर्टेबल इन, लाइक।
what you're comfortable in, your personal style, that is
राइट।
also very important because if you're not taking into consideration your personal style, you'll not be comfortable. If you're
राइट।
not comfortable, then you'll not be confident. So,
एब्सोल्युटली।
to be confident and to look powerful, you have to follow your style.
राइट।
Yeah.
राइट।
So, stylish can be following the trend, powerful can be following your own style.
Own style. So create your own style and just be that, or else following trend becomes like a being stylish or
Yeah.
fashionable.
Fashionable,
Right,
yes.
right.
Yes.
So आज के टाइम में इट्स वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट आप अपने आप को कैसे प्रेजेंट करते हो।
Yes.
वो सोशल मीडिया पर हो या सोशल इवेंट्स में हो, अ, या प्रोफेशनल जगहों पे हो या कहीं पे भी हो। सो women have become more conscious about her appearance. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ डिजिटल प्रेजेंस। बहुत सारी ऐसी लेडीज है जो कैमरा फेस करने में उनको डर लगता है, उनको लगता है कि नहीं, आई एम नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट इनफ, मुझे डर लगता है कैमरे के सामने, या थोड़ी सहम जाती है। तो एक एट द सेम टाइम उनको एक अपनी इमेज बनानी है कैमरा के सामने, क्योंकि वो एक सोशल प्लेटफॉर्म है। तो जो मे बी वो नहीं है, बट कैमरे के सामने उनको एक अलग सी इमेज क्रिएट करनी है। सो ऑल दिस आइडिया ऑफ डिजिटल प्रेजेंस या स्टाइलिंग, आपका क्या ओपिनियन है इसके बारे में?
See, digital presence comes after you first accept the way you are, right?
Hmm.
So, when you start presenting yourself the way you are offline,
Right.
then it gets easier to do it online.
Hmm.
सो बहुत बार क्या होता है कि लोग दे आर नॉट वेरी कंफर्टेबल इन देयर ओन स्किन।
Hmm.
जब खुद ही कंफर्टेबल नहीं है इन जनरल,
Right.
तो खाली ऑनलाइन वो दिखा के इट विल नॉट
Last
मेक
long
सेंस,
or
इट विल नॉट मेक सेंस।
right.
सो पहले तो ऑफलाइन प्रेजेंस के ऊपर काम करना है, अपनी ग्रूमिंग के ऊपर, क्लोथिंग के ऊपर, कम्युनिकेशन के ऊपर। सो व्हेन दे वर्क ऑन दैट,
Hmm.
they will automatically feel that confidence.
Hmm.
Then they can go to camera very easily.
Hmm.
So I feel that first they have to work on offline,
Hmm.
then they can work on the digital presence.
सो बहुत सारी जो वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स हैं, उनको भी आज के टाइम में दे फील अ नीड टू कंसल्ट इमेज कंसल्टेंट। तो उनके लिए आप क्या राय दोगी, अगर कोई आईटी प्रोफेशन में है या कोई यू नो कमिंग फ्रॉम अ बैंकिंग सेक्टर, या तो हर एक प्रोफेशन के हिसाब से आपको अपनी इमेज बनानी है, लाइक द ड्रेसिंग विल चेंज, मेकअप विल चेंज, एटिकेट्स एंड मैनर्स विल चेंज, और इट जस्ट द कॉमन थिंग फॉर एवरीबडी?
It cannot be common actually. Like I always say my clients that everybody is unique.
Hmm.
Everybody's lifestyle is different.
Hmm.
Conditioning is different. The way they're born and brought up is different.
Hmm.
Their role is different.
Hmm.
Their goal is different.
Right.
Right? The occasions they attend will be different. So we
Right.
have to consider all of these things. Then every individual's body type is different,
Hmm.
face shape is different, color is different. So we
Right.
consider all these factors before suggesting
Hmm.
anyone to wear or present in a certain way.
Right.
तो जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल बैंकिंग प्रोफेशनल हो गया, सो दे हैव टू प्रेजेंट इन सच अ वे कि वो क्लोथिंग मैसेज वैसी जानी चाहिए
Hmm.
to the other person they are communicating, right? So that way we give structured clothes,
Hmm.
the colors will change, the prints will change, the pattern will change,
Right.
and the neckline will change. So स्मॉल स्मॉल थिंग्स वैसे बोलने में बहुत छोटी लगती है कि हाँ नेकलाइन भी देखनी है, कलर भी देखनी है, बट
Hmm.
एवरी पीस ऑफ क्लोथिंग, एवरी पीस ऑफ एलिमेंट of our clothing
Outfit.
has
Yeah.
a message actually.
Okay.
So that is what we consider. Actually, we consider everything together while suggesting.
So what does your outfit say before even you speak?
Yeah, that is what everybody knows, that whether you want it or not, you judge the book by the cover,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
So within few seconds people see us. Within studies have shown that it's just 7 seconds
Okay.
that people see us and they create a judgment for us.
Hmm.
So if you take care of these factors,
Hmm.
then we can make those judgment work for you. So
Right.
there's a perception and reality.
Hmm.
We can have that perception and reality in the same line. So
Right.
that is what me as image consultant do.
राइट, राइट।
Yeah.
ये बहुत मानो या ना मानो कि हम जजमेंटल होते ही हैं,
होते ही
नो
है।
डाउट व्हाट। हम
Yes.
जैसे ही फर्स्ट टाइम किसी को देख रहे हो या किसी के साथ अपना एनकाउंटर हो रहा है, तो वो होता है कि जैसे अटायर है या शूज पहने या बैग कैरी किया है
Yeah.
या द वे दे आर ड्रेस्ड अप, हम उस पे एक दिमाग में तो जजमेंट कर ही लेते हैं, भले ही उस
Yes.
बारे में बात करे या ना
ट्रू,
करे। या
क्योंकि हम जब भी किसी को देखते हैं वी सी
अपीयरेंस।
फर्स्ट वी सी द अपीयरेंस, उसके बाद आता है कि वो कैसे चल रहा है, कैसे बात कर रहा है, कैसे बिहेव कर रहा है, दैट कम्स लेटर. So people judge the appearance and the look first.
राइट।
Then, even if you are a credible person or you know a lot of things, you're very intelligent, but if you are not presenting yourself well, then you'll miss that first impression.
राइट।
Which is earlier we used to say that first impression is last impression, but I never say that. I say that first impression can be recreated again. You can work on it.
Yeah.
So that's what I
Yeah.
say.
Yeah. So is there such thing called too well dressed for the vacation or overdressed for the occasion? ऐसा
I don't believe in the concept of overdressed or underdressed. I believe in the concept of dressing for yourself. Like we have the be you. So you have to be you, and you have to present yourself the best way.
Right.
So we definitely consider the occasion and the theme of the event a lot of times,
Right.
but it can never be overdressed or underdressed if you are comfortable in your attire.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. सो आप आज के टाइम पे या इन जनरल ऑल्सो कितना इम्पोर्टेंस देती है अपीयरेंस को एज अ पर्सन, not like how people look at you, but for yourself, the way you dress up, the way you put your makeup, or the way you like आपने etiquettes, manners, communication, body language की बात की. So ये सारी चीजें सिर्फ लोगों को दिखाने के लिए है या अपना इम्प्रेशन क्रिएट करने के लिए है, और देर इज मोर टू इट, लाइक इज देर एनी डीप मीनिंग फॉर सेल्फ, और इट जस्ट फॉर पीपल टू क्रिएट योर ब्रांड और क्रिएट योर इमेज?
So that's a very good question, actually. So you must have seen my Instagram. So this has started during COVID, when obviously we were not meeting people. So there was no way showing how you look to anybody, right?
Right.
So that time I used to talk about clothing psychology, which is the way you dress affects the way you think. The way you think affects the way you act. And whoever is meeting you,
Right.
they will react or respond accordingly. So then people would ask कि अरे कोई मिल ही नहीं रहा है तो कौन react और respond करने वाला है. But the way you dress also affects your productivity, your energy levels, your feel good factor. आप believe करेंगे कि whenever we are little more groomed, little more dressed, our day goes little better than the earlier day. Right? So जब भी थोड़ा अच्छे से when we look at the mirror before stepping out, if you're looking little better than yesterday, then that reflects on us. So it is not at all only to impress.
Right.
Obviously, I always say that it is a combination of impressing and expressing. So we have to impress ourselves first rather than thinking about how others will get impressed. Then we express ourselves, like I said, the clothing messages.
Right.
We express ourselves through the clothing messages.
ओके. ओके. सो आपकी तरफ से कोई टिप्स आप देंगी कि जैसे किटी पार्टी जानी है तो बेसिकली लंच होता है, और किटी पार्टीज बहुत सारी जो लेडीज है, क्योंकि ग्रुप ऑफ लेडीज आते हैं तो दे वांट टू शो देयर बेस्ट, से मे बी ड्रेसिंग हो या मेकअप हो या बैग हो या शूज हो. तो आर देयर एनी टिप्स फ्रॉम यू कि अगर आप किटी पार्टी के लिए जा रहे हो तो व्हाट शुड बी, हाउ शुड यू बी ड्रेस्ड?
आई फील आजकल किटी पार्टी तो ऐसे हो गया कि एवरी किटी पार्टी हैज अ थीम.
राइट.
सब थीम रख लेते हैं. कभी बोहेमियन हो गया, कभी पंजाबी थीम हो गया, कभी साड़ी थीम हो गया, राइट?
Right.
सो एवरी किटी पार्टी हैज अ थीम. सो इफ दे आर फॉलोइंग द थीम, they can add a touch of their own self to the whole attire.
Right.
So it might be just a statement necklaces for somebody, right? It can be just a statement bag or necklace, or it can be the silhouette they wear, right? For some people, they might be very comfortable wearing dresses. Some people might be very comfortable wearing pants. So मेरा actually पहले से ही है आदत कि I don't give any tips which is very generic, because like I said, every person is unique. तो सबके लिए अलग अलग स्टाइल बनी हुई है. It cannot be a generic style which everybody can follow actually.
Right. Right. Right.
Yes.
So अगर कोई प्रोफेशनल जो है या बहुत सारी उनका जो आपने बोला है कि एनवायरनमेंट के हिसाब से जो है आप सजेस्ट करते हो, बहुत सारी विमेन हैं जो होम मेकर्स हैं,
Hmm.
राइट? बच्चों को स्कूल ड्रॉप करना है, पिकअप करना है, सो बेसिक उनकी जो आउटिंग होती है
Hmm.
ज़्यादातर किड्स के रिलेटेड होती है,
True.
ड्रॉप्स, पिकअप्स, बर्थडे पार्टीज या
True.
तो अगर ये सारी चीज़ें करते वक़्त उनको एक अपनी खुद की आइडेंटिटी मेंटेन करनी है या उनको प्रेज़ेंटेबल रखना है, ना कि टू मच ओवर, लाइक जैसे कि
Hmm.
टू मच भी ना लगे, अंडर ड्रेस भी ना लगे, एंड दे, सो व्हाट आर द बेसिक थिंग्स दे शुड डू टू कीप themselves like, okay, she is presentable or she is creating her impact?
Yeah. First thing I would say that don't be in your pajamas all the day
Hmm.
because I've seen homemakers है तो वो उनको लगता है कि अरे मैं तो कुछ कर नहीं रही हूँ, कोई मुझे देख नहीं रहा है, तो let me be in my nightwear in my pajamas only.
Hmm.
तो जैसे मैंने बताया क्लोथिंग मैसेजेस अगेन, तो बहुत सारे होममेकर मेरे क्लाइंट्स हैं,
Hmm.
तो दे हैव दिस आई मीन they have this problem that nobody takes them seriously.
Hmm.
People take them for granted,
Hmm.
which happens with most of our Indian household actually.
Right, right.
वो इसलिए होता है because our clothing is such way.
Or maybe you are not giving that much
You are
importance
not
to
giving,
yourself.
so that's what, you're not giving that importance for your self care,
Hmm.
for your self improvement.
Hmm.
So I'm not saying that you go wear a sari and go out, or maybe wear like a, like we are wearing like a blazer or like a statement piece. You
Hmm.
don't need to, you
Right.
just have to have basic grooming. Just at least don't look like you have just woke up from like सुबह उठे हैं और ऐसे ही दिन भर बैठे हुए हैं.
Hmm.
बहुत सारे लोग वैसे होते हैं. And the basic grooming is important. Even if you're wearing just a cord set, just iron it and wear it.
Hmm.
So that's what I say them. That ऐसा नहीं कि crumbled है और बस अलमारी से निकाला और पहन लिया.
Hmm.
वो भी नहीं होना चाहिए.
Hmm.
तो आप best of the clothes भी पहनोगे,
Hmm.
तो भी it will not look good.
Right.
So these are some basic things. And घर के चप्पल में ना चले जाए बाहर.
Hmm.
At least they'll give some effort. Actually, you have to give some little effort. It is not very difficult. They have the time, they can give that effort, maybe just 5 minutes to think how they're looking. Then everything will work well for them.
Yeah, I think जो न्यू मदर्स है, हु आर हैंडलिंग टॉडलर्स, जो ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग कर रही है, एंड दे हैव टू लुक आफ्टर द बेबीज एंड दे हैव अदर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज एट होम. तो एक वो हो जाता है कि वो प्रायोरिटीज बन जाती है, एंड
I
टेकिंग
know.
केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ वो बहुत सेकेंडरी हो जाता
Back
है
seat
या
ले
बैक
लेता
सीट
है.
ले लेता
Yes,
है.
yes,
तो आई
it
थिंक
happens.
ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, आई थिंक फॉर ऑल दीज women हु आर न्यू मदर्स हो या होम मेकर्स हो. ग्रूमिंग करना है या presentable दिखना है, this is purely for yourself, to feel good about yourself and not to impress anyone, or making creating your different image in front of anyone. I think it's
True.
just it's about
Feeling good,
yourself.
feeling
Feel
good
good.
about yourself.
Right,
Yeah,
that's more
that's
important, I
what
think,
is
and
important.
that shows when.
Yes.
Yeah.
So see, we all have 24 hours in a day. ऐसा
Right.
नहीं है कि किसी के पास ज़्यादा टाइम है, किसी के पास कम टाइम
Hmm.
है. तो in those 24 hours, you have to take out that time for yourself. It can be just 1 hour, it can be just 10 minutes,
Hmm.
which is not difficult at all. भले ही बच्चे हैं, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, सबकी अलग अलग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है. एटलीस्ट मे बी रील स्क्रॉलिंग करना 10 मिनट बंद कर दो and give that time to yourself.
Hmm.
A lot of things can be done, right? So it is doable, very much doable.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. अगर हम क्लोथिंग चॉइस की बात कर रहे हैं, तो कलर जो चूज करना होता है, हर एक पर्सन को पता है कि ये कलर मुझ पे सूट करता है या नहीं करता है, बट डू यू थिंक ब्लैक इज ऑलवेज अ सेफ चॉइस?
Not at all.
रियली?
That's a myth actually. That's a fashion myth.
हम्म.
Black बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि लोग टॉप टू टो ब्लैक पहन लेते हैं. So what happens, when you see a person,
Hmm.
if whichever color is widest, you see that portion.
Hmm.
So sometimes people look wider than what they are. People think कि मैं black पहनूंगी तो पतली दिखूंगी, तो black पहन लेती हूँ, but not necessarily.
Okay.
So and black is not the safest choice at all.
Okay.
We have to explore. There are a lot of colors, there are a lot of patterns which can be explored.
Right.
Black can be an easier choice, but not the safest choice.
Okay. बंदिता, एक जैसे हम अगेन फैशन ड्रेसिंग की बात कर रहे, क्विक रेडी होके बाहर जाना, यू डोंट हैव मच टाइम एंड लास्ट मिनट कॉल आया है दैट वी हैव टू, ऐसी कौन सी अंडररेटेड एक्सेसरी है जो आपका जो लुक है एकदम से ग्लैम अप कर देगी, या यू ऐसा आपके हिसाब से ऐसी कौन सी चीज है?
I think not accessory, I would say. I would say well done hair
Hmm.
can be one of things. Um, And in the makeup, I would say just add the mascara. It just gives a definition to the eyes. Either a mascara, and I also focus on the eyebrows.
Yeah,
If the eyebrows are done, then you feel like the whole eye and the face is lifted up.
enhances.
Yeah. And in terms of the whole, I think outfit is like a combination of everything. So it cannot be one thing, I feel. You have to focus on each and every element.
Okay.
So, but as at least basic grooming, like basic makeup and hair is what needed. And like I said, iron clothes.
Right, iron
Even
clothes.
if 5 minute है तो करके निकलो.
या आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आपके
Very
आप
important.
कितना सिंपल ही ड्रेस पहन रहे हो या कॉर्ड सेट पहन रहे हो या
Yeah.
बेसिक टी
It
शर्ट भी
might be
पहन रहे
just
हो
a
बस
t-shirt and
आयरन
denim.
राइट
Yeah, it
आयरन होना
can.
जरूरी है दैट जैसे अभी आपने बोला कि आईब्रोज आप बना लो सो आई हैव सीन विथ व्हेन यू आर एजिंग आपकी आईब्रोज जो है थिन हो जाती है यू नो लाइटर हो जाती है जब व्हेन यू सी देयर फोटोग्राफ्स इन स्पेशली इन अ फोटोग्राफ यू कैन सी द आईब्रोज थिनिंग हो गई है
Yeah.
सो what prominent eyebrow plays a role in a face or a makeup?
So see, eyebrow just lifts the whole face. As well. It gives a message of authority.
Okay.
अगर आप बहुत एक बहुत छोटी बात है बट आप एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे अगर आईब्रोज हमने राउंड किया हुआ है शेप वट एवर वी शेप और मे बी वी पुट मेकअप राउंड किया हुआ है वर्सेस वी हैव मेड अ आर्च दैट ऑल्सो हैव अ डिफरेंट मैसेज.
Okay.
So, for a profession where you need to exude authority, then you can have like a pointed and an arch eyebrow.
Okay.
And for people who are at not very authority level, so they can have rounded or a thin eyebrow also.
Okay.
So those are the clothing I mean the grooming messages.
Grooming messages.
Yes.
आज की टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ देर आर मेनी ट्रीटमेंट्स अवेलेबल जो
Yes, yes.
आईब्रो एनहांस करने या टैटूइंग करते हैं सेमी परमानेंट परमानेंट
Yes.
आप वो सजेस्ट करेंगी या यू सजेस्ट कि आईब्रो पेंसिल से आप उसको प्रॉपर शेप करें या टैटूइंग जो होता है या देर आर मेनी सम पिन बॉल और समथिंग आई डोंट नो
So,
क्लियरली
see, it depends. Again, मेरे clients भी पूछते रहते हैं, तो it depends from client to client. I believe natural is the best. So, I believe कि if it is possible through the pencil, but obviously it takes a little time every day. So, for people who do not have that time, they want to do the microblading हो गया या तो tinting हो गया, they do those, which is easier. So, they don't have to spend that time in makeup every day.
राइट
So it's person to person according to the choices. Nothing is bad if you go to the right person. If you see obviously you have to go to the right doctor or the place if you're going to do any kind of needles or if you're using any kind of
right.
microblading and other stuff.
एट द सेम टाइम मैंने देखा है जो women आईब्रो पेंसिल यूज करती है बहुत कम लेडीज होती है जिनको एग्जैक्ट वे में वो पुटअप करना आता है अदरवाइज इट लुक्स
हाँ,
सो
it
फनी
looks
बिकॉज
very
यहाँ पे
funny.
डार्क यहाँ पे लाइट एंड इट जस्ट
And I have also seen people using red eyebrows pencils, and people having blonde hair and putting black eyebrow pencils. That also looks very odd.
Right.
So you have to match it to your hair. बहुत छोटी छोटी बात है, but it matters.
राइट राइट सो हमने जैसे बात किया ट्रेंड फॉलो करना या स्टाइलिश लगना या होता है एक अपना पर्सनल स्टाइल तो हाउ वन कैन फाइंड आउट देयर ओन पर्सनल स्टाइल बिकॉज मैं पर्सनली बिलीव आई डोंट बिलीव इन फॉलोइंग ट्रेंड्स या फैशन जो भी आता है जाता है यू नो वेरी रेयरली इफ आई लाइक समथिंग अदरवाइज आई बिलीव in creating your own style. Over the period of time I've learned how you know what suits me or what I feel comfortable in.
True.
So ऐसे ही हर एक चीज जैसे आईब्रोज हो गई मेकअप हो गया लिपस्टिक का शेड हो गया या यू नो द वे यू ड्रेस अप सो अगर किसी को अपना अभी पता नहीं है अपना स्टाइल क्या है हाउ वन कैन
See,
find out.
when we do one-on-one consulting, obviously there's a lot of questionnaire where we understand from which we understand what is their personal style. But in general, if anybody wants to find out, the simple way is what I suggest is they can just keep clicking their pictures whenever they're getting ready. And they have to note down how they felt when they wore that.
Okay.
So like journaling kind of thing.
Hmm.
So that way they will, after like 7 days or 10 days, they will understand which is the clothing combination which made them feel the best.
Right.
So that can be one of their personal style. So that is one of the easiest way.
Hmm.
Otherwise, personal style is affected by our upbringing, by our conditioning, by the city we live in, the country we live in.
Hmm.
A lot of things affect our personal style.
Right.
So it just, and it changes over time also. We
Hmm.
evolve, we all evolve actually. So it changes with time.
Right.
Yes.
So when it comes to clothing again, and when we are dominantly talking about women's clothing, what are the don'ts? Like, just name them. Like, you should never do it or don't do it.
Something which doesn't fit them well.
Hmm.
Do not wear anything which is not fitting you well.
Hmm.
And what else can be? Something which is not making them comfortable,
Hmm.
just to follow the trend. They should
Right.
not be just because somebody else is wearing neon and they feel that it's trend.
Hmm.
You don't need to wear that
Right.
if you are not comfortable in that. Then what else can be? I think these are the no. Otherwise, people say that if you are of this color, you should not be wearing that color. I never say that.
Hmm.
I always say my clients that you can wear anything and everything,
Hmm.
but we have to understand in what scale,
Hmm.
what size.
Hmm.
For example, somebody is, somebody doesn't look that great in a pale yellow color,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
But that's a favorite color.
Right.
Then I just tell them that, okay, just use a little bit, maybe in the pattern, maybe just as a scarf or
Hmm.
just as the sleeves.
Right.
Anything. It's like simple things, but
Right.
छोटा scale में use करो,
Hmm.
पूरा outfit मत पहनो
Hmm.
वैसे. So they have to understand what is their liking, then
Okay.
they have to choose the
Okay.
things.
Okay. And what's your personal opinion about suppose a person is conducting a meeting, a sari will make an impact, or a suit or a blazer will make an impact if given a choice.
Again, it's the profession.
Yeah.
What's the profession there? Sari can never go wrong.
Hmm.
So I always say that sari you can dress up or dress down.
Hmm.
So I do that. You can just use a t-shirt and wear a sari, and use denims and all. So you can dress down. You can make it look quite cool and casual,
Hmm.
and you can add a blazer and just make it look like a CEO level. I mean, you can. So the way it is draped, the way it is added by other clothing pieces.
Yeah.
So sari will never go wrong. So I don't want to compare sari to anything else.
Anything.
So obviously, according to their profession, if a suit works well, then they can add sari and suit.
Hmm. Both.
That also can be possible.
Yeah. Yeah. But when you're draping a sari, I think, having a perfect coordination of a blouse, wearing sari perfect way, as in your pleats and the length of your sari also matters. But I truly agree that you can't
Yeah, so
compare
I
sari. Yeah.
yes, so I feel that you don't need to wear only with the blouse.
Right.
So like I'm wearing with a blazer, so
Right.
it can be worn with a blazer, a t-shirt, or top, or a dress,
Hmm.
or a kurta. So
Right.
a lot of options.
Right.
So it can just change the clothing message of the sari that way, the way you are draping, the way you are adding the pieces.
Right. So again, आज जैसे हमने स्टाइलिंग और इमेज कंसल्टेंसी की बात की है, मोर और लेस आई थिंक वी स्पोक अबाउट क्लोथिंग, एटिकेट्स, मैनर्स, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल एंड बॉडी लैंग्वेज. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दीज. कि अगर जैसे मैंने देखा है आज भी हमारी एक बहुत कॉमन सा एक स्टेटमेंट होता है कि हम किटी पार्टी में जा रहे हो, कोई भी पार्टी में जा रहे हो, द फर्स्ट थिंग यू विल अटर अबाउट द नेक्स्ट पर्सन इज, ओ यू हैव गेन वेट, और ओ यू हैव लॉस्ट वेट. तो when we are talking about etiquettes and manners, let's talk about this also.
I think that's the worst icebreaker which anybody can use.
Right.
You do not need to use anyone's body as the first sentence to start the conversation. I feel there are much better ways. You can compliment the person. whether you like the person's sari or just the neck piece, or maybe I love the way you added the bindi, right? It can be a simple
Compliment or
compliment. So, and people think that, oh, you lost weight is a big compliment.
yeah.
So that's how I have to start the conversation that way, which is not at all actually a good manner to do that.
Right.
But then conversation starter can be a compliment is the best thing to start a conversation. Also, you can introduce yourself. That is another one if you don't know the person.
Right. Right.
Yes. So other ways in etiquette, I would say, I have seen people using their bags. Obviously, these days the luxury bags have taken the front seat.
Right.
So they have not taken the front seat; they have taken the tables also.
Right.
So everyone
True.
goes for a dinner or lunch.
Lunch.
The bags are on the tables, which is the worst thing to do actually.
Right.
Bags can go on your seat or a extra chair you can take and put the bag there. It's not that whether it is a business dinner or formal or a casual dinner. Even in casual dinner, it is not a good idea to do that
Right.
actually.
Right. So you should always keep
You
it
should
on the
always
floor or
keep it
a
either on a chair,
chair.
another chair you can ask for,
Right.
or
Right.
keep it behind you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Behind you. Okay. So okay. I was like, अगर हम कहीं पार्टी में गए हैं वी डोंट नो एनीवन देयर, ऐसे बहुत बार होता है कि वी हैव टू गो टू सर्टेन प्लेसेस जहाँ पे आप किसी को नहीं जानते हो, सो इट बिकम्स अ वेरी ऑकवर्ड काइंड ऑफ अ सिचुएशन. ऐसी जगह पे हाउ टू ब्रेक आइस एंड जस्ट गो एंड टॉक टू स्ट्रेंजर्स एंड मेक फ्रेंड्स विद एंड हाउ टू कम्युनिकेट वेयर यू डोंट नो एनीवन.
I think, like I said, the best thing is to give a compliment. Everybody loves compliment.
Right.
So when you go and tell that person, I love the nose pin you are wearing.
Right.
So it can be just one thing
A
like that. So
simple, yeah.
then you can, or maybe you can ask the person, oh, where did you get this? I just love this.
Right.
So, or maybe if you're going to someone's house, you can just compliment the decor. It can be simple things like that to start with.
जैसे बॉडी लैंग्वेज टॉक्स वॉल्यूम्स क्या रोल प्ले करता है और हमारी बॉडी लैंग्वेज जैसे कैसी होनी चाहिए वेयर वी आर नॉट बीइंग जज लाइक बहुत नकचड़ी है या एटीट्यूड दिखा रही है एंड बहुत बार ऐसा हो जाता है दैट हम ऑकवर्ड है बात करने के लिए या हम हेजिटेंट है बात करने के लिए दैट्स व्हाई वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग बट वी आर बीइंग जज्ड कि ये एटीट्यूड है इसलिए बात नहीं कर रही है. तो वो हमारी बॉडी लैंग्वेज कैसी होनी चाहिए व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू सोशल प्लेस और अ पब्लिक इवेंट और अ सोशल गैदरिंग जहाँ पे आपको इस तरह से जज ना किया जाए.
It has to be, I think, the open gestures and showing the interest with the eye contact.
Right.
That is one thing in the conversation. So if you are talking to me, if I'm looking at there and just not even looking at you, then you will feel that, array, who is she? What does she thinks about herself?
Right.
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 So similarly, maybe putting the legs on top of each other and in a very awkward manner, that also can be
Body
one of
language.
the one of the ways people think that, okay, I mean, people get perceived in a different way
Right.
if the body language is not correct. And like you said, people judge and the perception is created. So जैसे मैंने बताया, कपड़ों से भी लोग जज करते हैं, उसके बाद आता है बॉडी लैंग्वेज,
Right.
उसके बाद आता है व्हाट यू से.
Right.
So first is how you look, then how you walk, then the body language, I mean, then the word you speak.
Right.
So लोग सोचते हैं कि अरे, I have done so many degrees, I know a lot of things, but that people will know at the third point, so at the third level. So body language is as important, I mean, in the communication skill as anything else.
Yeah. जैसे पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट की भी बात करी है आपने, सो व्हाट इज इट लाइक अगर किसी को आपको कंसल्ट करना है, सो उसमें आप उनको एज अ पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट के अंडर क्या सिखाओगे या क्या नॉलेज दोगे?
Yeah. So, see, I don't take only personality development part. So I take, like I said, the image consulting as a whole. So it's a package where we understand, like I said, the lifestyle, the role, goal, personal style, everything we take care of. then we suggest what they wear, how they behave, how their body language should be. We also talk about how they can read others' body language.
Right.
So that is also very important in a professional environment.
Right.
So personality development would be again a combination of appearance, behavior, communication. So I personally take care of the visual communication part, where the appearance, body language, and the etiquette comes in place. Then I have other team members who take care of the soft skills, the verbal communication. So that also comes under one roof.
राइट राइट बंदिता, अगर हम न्यूली अपना वार्डरोब बिल्ड कर रहे हैं या मेक ओवर कर रहे हैं, तो विच आर द 5 टॉप थिंग्स you would suggest?
First of all, I think you have to see what you have,
Hmm.
so that you can utilize those pieces. 5 top things could be as per the profession. If somebody is going to office, then it would be a basic white shirt, a black pant, a denim. And if you love saris, a basic neutral color sari, and it can be a layer, which can be a blazer of a neutral color. So
Okay.
I am saying neutral colors so that you can add on pieces to it and you can create multiple looks.
Right.
So again, this is for someone who is working. If someone is at home person also, I think this would work because we can add a white shirt to a skirt or a pant or add a sari to that. It can be a lot of things can be created actually.
So denim, of course, white shirt will go.
Denim, white shirt, a black pant, and a blazer, and sari, like I said. Because we are at Masakali, it has to be sari.
साड़ी और या जैसे कि हैंडलूम साड़ीज है विच इज अगेन सस्टेनेबल, तो सस्टेनेबल क्लोथिंग के बारे में या आपकी क्या ओपिनियन या सजेशन होगा व्हेन इट कम्स टू क्लोथिंग, ऑफ कोर्स सस्टेनेबल या फास्ट फैशन?
So I always talk about restyling, reusing, and rewearing. So I feel obviously if not everybody is making that choice of buying the sustainable fabric, at least they have the choice of reusing what they have. So they are contributing to a better environment. Right. So buying is obviously the better option that you have only the sustainable pieces and the recycled ones. However, if you know how to use your pieces, then you are not throwing it away in a trash or maybe spoiling the environment. So if you know the ways to restyle and rewear and reuse, which people are doing, but people are also getting conscious because they don't want to look the same the way they were looking. So if you know how to restyle in such a way that you look different every time, then people will not be feeling awkward to reuse that piece.
Absolutely.
So
And that's what I think with sari you can do so many experiences, experiments,
yes.
that एक साड़ी को लेकर अगर आपको डिफरेंट लुक क्रिएट करना है, आप ब्लाउजेस के साथ अलग अलग क्रॉप टॉप पहन लो या ब्लेजर्स या जैकेट पहन लो, ड्रेप साड़ीज इन अ डिफरेंट स्टाइल, और बहुत बार अगर साड़ी पहन लिया है, नवारी स्टाइल ड्रेप कर लीजिए, क्रॉप टॉप के साथ पहन लीजिए, ब्लेजर के साथ पहन लीजिए, so that will give you a complete different look. Accessories and jewelry you can change and completely
Yes.
change the look of the साड़ी. साड़ी वही पहन पहन के अगर आपको लग रहा है कि मैंने बहुत बार साड़ी पहन ली, you can convert it into a dress. That's again one way मुझे लगता है. Even with the दुपट्टा आप बहुत
Lot
बार
of
अगर
things can be
बहुत
done.
पहन
Yes.
लिया है, आप उसका काफ्तान बना लीजिए. So these are small tips I think really works and we follow it to the core. बहुत साड़ी आई थिंक हमारे बचपन से ही हमने ये किया है
किया
कि
हुआ
मम्मी
है,
की साड़ी
yes.
का ड्रेस बना लिया, जो
मैंने
2-3
बहुत
सिबलिंग्स
किया
है
है,
तो
साड़ीज को अनारकली बना दिया, लहंगा
बिल्कुल.
बना दिया, बट नाउ आई हैव स्टॉप डूइंग इट क्योंकि जब साड़ी स्टिच हो जाती है तो लिमिटेड हो जाता है
Right.
उसका यूज. So
Whereas
when it is
just as a
unstitched,
saree you can style them
yeah, because I know now a
multiple
lot
times.
of ways to drape
Drape.
it and style it.
Right.
So when I didn't know it, I used to just
Cut it
cut
and
it
make
and
it
stitch
into a
it वैसा.
garment. Yeah.
Now that I know the ways, so I try best to drape it in different way rather than stitch it in different ways. So I
Absolutely.
don't use even a safety pin or thread to drape
To
those
drape
things.
those. And I think sari is the most graceful attire that you can have. So more saris and masakali
Yes.
saris.
Anytime.
So yeah. So Bandita, when it comes to celebrity styling and all, no, what do you think? Anup Soni or Sandhya Mridul was more experimental about their look and style?
So I had the experience with them was for a art film. So obviously they were. It was a short film actually. So they had their own character. So when it is styling celebrities for a art or film, it is as per their
Yeah,
character
you
or the
already
role.
have the limitation
You
of
have the limitation of the role. So you're
right,
not styling the person, you're
right.
styling the character. When you are styling, so I have done celebrity styling for the events. So when I'm taking them to events, then I have to show their personal style.
Right,
So there comes the image consultant view of it.
right,
Otherwise, mostly stylists, generally what they consider is the trend
right.
and whatever the character of the person.
Bandita, when we are out for shopping, what are the things we need to consider?
So, actually, when we are shopping anything,
Hmm.
if we consider four A's, which I talk about,
Hmm.
then we will never go wrong,
Hmm.
and we will not have any of the wardrobe orphans in our wardrobes. So
Right.
many a times it happens that बहुत बार हम खरीदते हैं, फिर वो wardrobe में ऐसे पड़ा रहता है, and the outfit, I mean the garment piece screams कि मुझे भी पहन लो कभी. तो होता है वैसा. तो what these four A's are. The first one is attractiveness.
Right.
Like I said, you have to impress yourself first. Second A is affordability. Everyone has their budget,
Budget.
their things, what they can afford, right? The third one is the appropriateness. Like I said, where you are going, what is the occasion, who are the people you are meeting.
Suitable to the event or a
Yes.
place or a
Place and your role, your
environment, whatever.
profession,
Yeah.
all those things. The fourth A, which is the most important A, is the authenticity.
Right.
So when anybody considers these four A's, whatever they buy will never go wrong.
Right.
So then they can be the you they want to be.
Right. Like feel comfortable in your own skin kind of a
Yes.
thing.
And whatever they buy,
Huh.
because they have considered all of these things,
Right.
they will be definitely comfortable in their own skin.
Right. So that was really helpful and I'm sure जो भी हमारे दर्शक हैं उनको बहुत सारी information मिली है, ideas मिले हैं and बहुत ज़्यादा useful रहे होंगे आपके लिए for coming future also. So thank you so much Bandita for joining us
Thank you
and
so
it was
much.
really a pleasure and it was really very informative. I'm sure everybody's loved it. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me. And I'm loving this Be You and looking forward to more and more episodes of it to watch.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Shraddha. Thank you for watching this episode. If you liked listening to us, then you must like, share, and subscribe to Be You with Shraddha S.